Today we're talking about the brand new Weebill-S from Zhiyun. Hello amigos, what's going on? My name is Sebas and I hope you feel good because I do. And one of the reasons for that is I just received the brand new Weebill-S from Zhiyun. And I know what you're thinking right now. Sebas, you have to say this because you're an ambassador, blah blah blah. But come on guys, I just support products that are great. And the Weebill-S is everything else but crap. So let's talk about facts. The Weebill-S has the exact compact form factor than the Weebill Lab, but the motor torque is increased by 300%. That means you're not only able to use your Sony camera with almost any lens, except maybe the 70-200, but also a Canon 5D with the 24-70. That is crazy, isn't it? I mean, come on, it's such a small gimbal. And this means for me, I can use my Sony a7 III with a camera cage on the Weebill-S without any balancing problems. The cage gives me the advantage to take care of all the cables if I use a monitor, a focus motor or just the control cable. And this is really great because I already broke so many HDMI cables by using a monitor on a gimbal just because the cable was way too loose on the camera. The improved power of the motors also ensures smoother and more responsive camera movements. The quick lock function as well as the 2-in-1 quick release plate you already know from the Weebill Lab are also integrated. These two features were my favorite improvements on the older Weebill Lab and the reason why I recommended it so many times. Gimbal settings like follow speed, smoothness and motor strength could now be controlled on the OLED menu on the gimbal itself without using the ZY Play app. And if you don't know how to set the strength of your motors, there's also an auto-tune feature available now. One of the new features is the image transmission module. Connected to your camera, you're able to send a live feed directly to a phone or a monitor with a receiver for up to 100 meters. This enables brand new features like a LUT preview using zebras, live stream or active track 2.0. At the point I'm recording this video, there's only the beta app available, which actually already looks quite impressive, but I will definitely make a separate video about the image transmission model itself as soon as the final version of the app is released. The facts are already very impressive, but of course I want to see how it performs in action. So I decided to make a short one-take video with Lisa in the Loft Studio to get a first impression. And to be completely honest with you guys, I'm really impressed. The Weebill-S is everything I need from now on. The last few months I was still switching between the Weebill Lab and the Crane 2 for heavier camera setups. But now there's one gimbal that combines all features I need to create smooth cinematic footage. What do you think about the Weebill-S? Let me know down in the comments below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I see you in the next video.